This is a cheap, effective, do-it-yourself bug spray. Get you an old spray bottle, some water, a little bit of dish detergent, and some bleach. Now I've got a little more bleach in here already, so you might want to add more than what you see me putting in there. And you just want to fill it up with water. Put that cap back on and get ready for some knockdown stuff. Oh yeah. You do have to hit them directly with the stream in order to knock them down.
Hey, what the heck is that crap? No, no, ah!
Wow, this stuff sends them straight to Bug Valhalla. This shooter will send them all to Boot Hill. Spiders, bees, wasps, and mud daubers.
Hey, what the heck is that crap? No, no, ah!
2 minutes later. Oh, you're not looking too good, champ. Wow, this stuff works great. And it's the same stuff I use to clean my boat.